If you are looking for the best chainsaw chaps, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Forester Chainsaw Apron Chap. They're available in a variety of sizes and colors. These open-back chaps meet ASTM and OSHA regulations. They're relatively comfortable to wear, although they're much hotter than they should be, given their open-back design. Putting them on and taking them off is simple once the straps are properly adjusted to your fit. Once they're properly fitted, you'll have a full range of motion while wearing them. While they are fairly large, the clasp mechanism isn't designed very well and can often make the chaps slide to the side, exposing a part of your leg to the chainsaw. Number 2. Number 2. Husqvarna 587,160,704 Techno. Chainsaw safety gear produced by Husqvarna is made from PVC-coated polyester with extra protective layers of tech warp. The aim of this material combination is to resist impact for long enough to reduce the severity of an injury and allow the wearer more reaction time. Unlike some other chaps, these also cover the lower backs of the legs for extra safety. The fabric is colored vibrant orange for extra visibility, and the chaps also feature reflective strips around the ankles. They also include pockets, buckles for size adjustments. Number 3. Number 3. Redneck Convent 37 inches Safety Chainsaw Chaps. They're easy to put on and take off, they don't add a lot of heat to your legs. They're also certified for safety thanks to all of the standards and regulations they meet, offering you peace of mind when using them. These chaps offer you a full range of motion and will protect you from thorns and nettles, and the adjustable waist belt clip will ensure that they're a comfortable fit for your legs. You can tighten them, or you can loosen them slightly if you feel that they're a little too restrictive. Number 4. Number 4. Portwest Workwear Men's Chainsaw Trousers. Your budget. These pants offer 9 layers of protection that are comfortable and breathable while meeting Class 1 safety standards. They're made with a quality blend of polyester and cotton fabric with a water-repellent finish. Portwest also includes many practical features in these chainsaw pants, including inset pockets, a back zip pocket, belt loops on the waistband, and an elasticated waistband. For a low-cost pair of chainsaw pants, you can't do any better than this product. Number 5. Notch Armor. Number 5. Notch Armorflex Chainsaw Protective Pants. Chainsaw protective equipment. And these pants are made for serious homeowners and professional arborists. The 5-layer Avertic Ingatex protective fabric provides excellent chainsaw stopping power to keep you safe on the job. These chainsaw pants come with Class 3 protection, which gives you peace of mind against the fastest tested chainsaw speeds. The high-stretch fabric, elastic waistband, and large cooling vents also make these chainsaw pants extremely comfortable for climbing trees and working on the ground. The available waist sizes are a bit more limited than other brands.